Hi, this is Suresh Mikli, Ashram Professor, Triple Department. Today I will discuss about the how to prepare electrical circuit subject for electrical students for GATE exam point of view. This is the syllabus, so that is the basics of the concepts KVL, KCL, node analysis, mesh analysis. So steady state and transient analysis, two-port network, three-phase circuits, okay, and the theorems point of view. Coming to the concept, why to study the electrical circuits? The subject which is the most important for the electrical engineering students point of view in the gate aspects, because of the we can study the electrical machines, power systems for alternate subjects. It is the most important subject for the remaining remaining point of the electrical machines, power system and power transport. Electrical circuit is the one of the most consideration subject in the gate paper, and mostly the problems are not very much tough but simple to fetch more marks in this subject, okay. In the weightage of the electrical circuit generally varies between the 8 to 12 marks in the gate exam point of view. Coming to the topic wise analysis point of view, okay, electrical circuit is the most problematic subject, okay. So we can study, we can practice the number of problems more and more is much better than the reading the theory point of view. Coming to the concepts point of view, the basics, we can minimum basics of the KVL, KCL, node analysis, and mesh analysis point of view. We can analyze the circuit, voltage, current, and power, their point of view. And steady state analysis point of view, steady state sinusoidal analysis point of view. For single phase, the circuit containing the parameters of the RL, RC, RLC, either series combination or parallel combination. We can analyze the voltage, current, and power and impedances and power factor. It is the unity power factor or lagging power factor or leading power factor. And the magnetic circuit point of view, we can go to the concepts, that is the self inductance, mutual inductance, coefficient of couple, and the dot conversion point of view. And graph theory point of view, we can concept of the cut set and trisect point of view. Okay, it is usually for the most of the power systems point of view. You can find out the jet buses. You can find out the Y buses. You can find out the voltage. Okay, you can find out the current of the each bus point of view. That is the network theorems point of view. That is the Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, Sorokin theorem, and maximum power transfer theorem. And transient analysis point of view, so you can AC and DC circuit point of view. So that is, you can analyze the initial voltage, initial current. You can find out what is the voltage and what is the current point of view. Okay, and circuit analysis using the Laplace transformation, and a two-port network point of view, we can find out the parameters of the Z parameters, Y parameters, ABC parameters, and H parameters. And three-phase circuit point of view, that is the balancing and unbalanced load point of view. That is the it is concepted, we can study it in the machines point of view and the power systems point of view. And coming to the concept of the analysis of the previous gate papers point of view, that is equal to from 1991 to 2002, the gate pattern is the 1 marks question, 2 marks question, and 5 marks questions. Okay, in 1991, any question not given to the electrical circuit point of view, that is from 1992 93 and up to 2002, the weightage of the gate exam, it is weightage of the gate is increases, the weightage marks of the gate is increases, that for electrical circuit point of view. Okay, that is go 8 marks to 2 marks to 8 marks to 2 marks to 5 marks to 26 marks to 28 marks to 24 marks to 12 marks to and 12 marks to and 30 marks. So that is point of view. The variation of the marks is equal to, it is a variation of the from the 1991 to 2002. It is a variation equal to 80 to 15 marks. That is equal to 80 to 15 marks point of view. That is the average of the point of view. And from the 2003 to 2013, the exam pattern gate pattern is equal to 1 mark question and 2 marks questions is given. Okay, and you can observe the from 2002 to 2013. So slightly variation of the variation of the marks is variation. So simply it is approximately constant point of view. So from 2013, the variation of the marks is equal to 8 marks it is well. From 2014 to 2013, so set wise is given. That is the exam pattern is equal to 1 marks question, 2 marks question is there. So 2014, the weightage of marks is equal to 6 to 7 is variation, 6 to 9 variation, and 15 it is a 10 to 9 marks. And 2016 it is the 14 marks and 13 marks. 2017 it is the variation equal to 8 marks only. That equal to the constant. And 2018 also 8 marks, and 19 it is a less point of it is the 5 marks weightage is given, and 2002 it is 11 marks is given. So that is equal to, we can analyze the from 1991 to 2020, the variation of the weightage of the marks of the electrical circuit is equal to 8 to 12 marks. That is why we can also told. That is the coming to the reference point of view. So it is the problematic. So you can go to the exercise problems and go to the solved problems. That is equal to uh, circuit theory analysis and synthesis by Chakrabarti, Dhanpatray publications. Fundamental of electrical circuits by Charles A. Alexander and Matthew N. O. Sadhuku. So that is fifth edition, Magazines. And engineering circuit analysis by William Hyde, and network analysis by Van Willenberg, and the problem point of view and concept oriented, that is electrical circuits by Sham outlines by Mahmoud Anmod and Joseph, that equal to McGrath. So these are the very important textbook refer to the we can easily weightage of the marks is getting the final exams gate point of view. That is go, it is highly advisable to form one's own notes and short notes for the properly preparation, understanding and revision the later. So that is the point of view. In case of any doubts, we can go to the above textbooks. And tips for the gate exam point of view: after completion of each chapter, try to revise the concept on the same day itself. Okay, and running notes and micro notes both must be made properly, and oneself to aid proper revision at the end. And topic wise subject test help to in the in test help the identify the one's weak area and work upon them, and all compare with the different students. Okay, finally the subject holds the weightage of the 8 to 12 marks in the especially electrical circuits. It is the most important subject for the electrical students. This subject is main important, so we can depending upon the remaining subjects, that is equal to remaining subjects of the electrical machines and power systems and basic electronic subjects, analog circuits and digital circuits point of view. All the best, one and all. Thank you, one and all.